Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you building a powerful PC in 2025? Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a pro streamer, or a content creator, choosing the right motherboard is where it all begins. In this video, we're diving into the top motherboards of 2025, from budget beasts to high-end monsters, for both Intel and AMD platforms. Stay tuned to find the perfect match for your next build. Let's get started. 1. MSI GB850 Edge Ti Wi-Fi Motherboard. Let's start with the first product. This is the MSI GB850 Edge Ti Wi-Fi Motherboard. ATX supports AMD Ryzen 9000/8000/7000 processors, AM5-80 ASPS VRM, DDR5 memory boost, 8400 plus MB/SOC, PCIe 5.0x16, M.2 Gen 5, Wi-Fi 7, 5G LAN. Looking for a future-ready motherboard for your next AMD build? Meet the MSI GB850 Edge Ti Wi-Fi. This ATX board supports Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, so you're covered for both current and next-gen performance. You get DDR5 support up to 8400 plus MT/SOC, ultra-fast PCIe 5.0x16, and M.2 Gen 5 for blazing storage speeds. The 80 ASPS VRM keeps power delivery smooth and stable, especially during heavy workloads or gaming marathons. Connectivity? Top tier. It's packed with Wi-Fi 7, 5G LAN, and multiple USB ports, including Type-C, for fast networking and flexibility. I've tested it with a Ryzen 7800X3D and it handled everything flawlessly: gaming, streaming, even some editing. Final thoughts: if you're building a high-performance AMD PC and want a board that's fast, stable, and future-proof, the MSI GB850 Edge Ti Wi-Fi is a rock-solid choice. Definitely worth it. 2. ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite Intel Core Ultra LGA1851. Next up, the second product on our list is the ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite Intel Core Ultra LGA1851 RLLM Wi-Fi 7 ATX motherboard, DDR5 9200 MHz 256 GB PCIe 5.0 Thunderbolt. If you're building a next-gen Intel rig, the ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite deserves your attention. It's built for Intel Core Ultra processors and supports LGA1851 with the new RLLM socket. What really stands out is the blazing DDR5 memory support up to 9200 MHz, perfect for power users and overclockers. You also get PCIe 5.0, Thunderbolt, and Wi-Fi 7 on board, making it a true future-proof ATX board. Performance-wise, everything runs smoothly, even under load. The layout is clean, the build quality feels premium, and BIOS updates are easy. If you want high-end features without the flashy RGB overload, the Lite version nails it. Final thoughts? The Z890 Taichi Lite packs serious performance and connectivity into a clean design. If you're upgrading or building new, this board hits the sweet spot for enthusiasts and creators alike. Let me know what you think in the comments. 3. ASUS ROG Strix X870EE Gaming Wi-Fi Motherboard. Now, let's take a look at the third product, the ASUS ROG Strix X870EE Gaming Wi-Fi AMD AM5 X870 ATX Motherboard. 18+2+2 power stages, dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, DDR5 AMP, Wi-Fi 7, 5X M.2, PCIe 5.0, Currently Slim, USB 4, AI OSing and networking. If you're building a next-gen AMD gaming rig, the ASUS ROG Strix X870EE Gaming Wi-Fi Motherboard might just be your dream base. Right out of the box, it's packed with high-end features, an AM5 socket ready for Ryzen 7000 series, 18+2+2 power stages for rock-solid overclocking, and support for blazing fast DDR5 RAM with EMP profiles for easy tuning. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 means ultra-fast wireless speeds, and you get not one, not two, but 5 M.2 slots, all with heatsinks. I love the convenience touches like the PCIe Currely Slim and USB 4 for future-proof connectivity. AI overclocking and networking make setup surprisingly beginner-friendly. Conclusion: if you're serious about performance and want a future-ready platform with loads of premium features, the Strix X870EE delivers. It's not cheap, but for enthusiasts and power users, it's totally worth it. Let me know what you'd pair this beast with in the comments. 4. Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX, AM5/LGA1718/AMD/X670/ATX/5-year warranty/DDR5/Quad M.2/PCIe 5.0/USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C/AMD Wi-Fi 6E/2.5 GB LAN/Q Flash Plus/M.2 Easy Latch/Gaming Motherboard. I'm checking out the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX motherboard, and if you're building an AMD Ryzen 7000 series PC, this one is seriously worth a look. Right off the bat, it's packed with future-ready features: DDR5 RAM support for M.2 slots with Easy Latch, PCIe 5.0 for blazing GPU and SSD speeds, and built-in Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 GB LAN. Setup was smooth, especially with Q Flash Plus, no CPU needed to update BIOS, super convenient. It also has USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C for ultra-fast transfers, and the build quality is premium, solid VRMs and heatsinks for cooling. Whether you're gaming or creating, this board has the performance headroom. Final thoughts? For the price and the 5-year warranty, the X670 Aorus Elite AX is a fantastic AM5 board that won't bottleneck your future upgrades. If you're building a new rig, this one's a top contender. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. 5. ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi Motherboard. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi AMD AM5 B850 ATX Motherboard, 14 plus 2 plus 180 stages, AI ready, DDR5, PCIe 5.0, 3x M.2, Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabits LAN, DisplayPort, HDMI, USB 10 gigabits per second and 20 gigabits per second Type-C, BIOS flashback. Checking out the ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard, and wow, it packs a serious punch for AM5 builds. Right off the bat, it's got 14 plus 2 plus 1 power stages with 80A each, which means rock-solid stability for your Ryzen 7000 series CPU. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this board keeps things smooth. You've got support for DDR5 RAM, PCIe 5.0, and not 1, not 2, but 3 M.2 slots, so you're future-proofed on speed and storage. Plus, Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabits LAN ensure top-tier connectivity whether you're wired or wireless. I also love the inclusion of USB 10 gigabits per second and 20 gigabits per second Type-C ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, and BIOS flashback, super handy for updates without a CPU. Final thoughts: if you're building a next-gen AMD rig, the TUF B850 Plus Wi-Fi is feature-packed, sturdy, and ready for anything you throw at it. Definitely worth it. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.